Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day here in Williamstown, New Jersey. And this property was listed by one of the top agents in South Jersey. It's Andrea LaFontaine, and Andrea works with us, and she's going to tell you a little bit more about this property right now.
Hey, so we have a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath house. We're over 2,080 square foot, 3 levels of living space, and a basement for all of your storage. We have just about a 1/4 acre here and plenty of room to spread out and enjoy outside.
Fantastic, let's check it out.
Perfect.
Got this great lemonade porch here. You could have a really big lounge area here, put a nice swing, all kinds of seating possibilities, fantastic. And check out some of the historical features of this house. You have this beautiful banister here with the newel post. That's original to the house. Walking through the foyer, you have the natural gas, hot water baseboard heat, and you have some of the classic radiators sprinkled throughout the house, really classic element. You have this nice parlor area, which could be used as a formal living room. Really nice, have some nice conversations there. This will be the living room. Got your TV here, big sectional couch, plenty of lighting, and you have this entry into another auxiliary room here. This could be a dining room, another family room. It's got the pocket doors here, which is really nice. So you have this really nice auxiliary room here. Could be a second family room, rec room, giant office. And it's got a wood burning stove here, which could heat the entire first floor of this house. So when that thing gets fired up, it's real nice. Let's check out the other rooms to the back of this home. Got the nice high ceilings. You have a lot of built-ins for display that you don't see in the modern construction. Have this really big, expansive kitchen, a lot of counter space, and you have obviously the ability to seat 4 here, maybe even 5 or 6. And to the right, you have a full bath. There's a stand-up shower in there. And there's an example of the classic radiators. That's the best possible heat that you can get anywhere. Let's check out the backyard here. Backyard is real nice. It's fully fenced, so it's perfect for privacy for your pets and your kids. You have the fire pit that's illuminated, and you have a wood pile there, perfect for your wood burning stove. Nice and isolated back here. Great place to unwind and relax. I love all the built-ins in this property. There's a plethora of those sprinkled throughout the entire property. And downstairs, you have a full basement, plenty of storage. You have all your utilities down there. You have your boiler for the hot water heating system, everything you need. Plus your electrical boxes down there as well. Now let's check out the upstairs. There's 4 beds total and 2 full baths at this property. On the second level, there's 3 bedrooms, and then there's a 3rd level with a 4th bedroom, and that would be the master. This banister is classic, period correct for the build of this home. We'll call this bedroom number 1 here on the 2nd floor. Everything nice and neat. This is being used as a weight room right now. Of course, you could use it as a bedroom, as a closet, everything nice and neat. House has some really nice baseboard moldings, has the old style window moldings as well. This would be bedroom number 3 on the 2nd floor. Making our way here into the full bathroom. This has been remodeled with new flooring, newer vanity. You have your stand-up tub shower combo right there. And then you make your way up to the 3rd floor. And there's a huge expanse here. This is the master bedroom. All told, this property has 2,081 square feet. And you can see how extraordinarily big this property up here is, the 4th bedroom. You have a nice overlook to the backyard. Feels like you're kind of in another area, nice and quiet. Great place of solace and solitude. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video. And if you absolutely loved it and found tremendous value in it, subscribe. This helps the algorithm, and it gets us out to more people in South Jersey and enables those people who are looking for new houses to have that first opportunity to bid on the property. First in has a tremendous value, and that could be you. So make sure you subscribe. Andrea, I love this property.
I do too.
It's not a cookie cutter.
No, it has a lot of character.
And it's got 2,081 square feet.
Yep.
4 beds, 2 baths. What else is important about it?
So there are 3 levels of living space, which is really great, and I really like the backyard. It's fully fenced, so if you have a dog or a pet, no worries there. It's great for a family.
This property is it's been around for quite some time.
Yes.
And I could kind of feel the good spirit in it that way. And us sitting here, it's like I could reminisce to days gone by where people actually sat down and talked. And I
Right.
could see people sitting down and talking on that front porch.
Yes.
People sitting down and talking on the back yard area where the fire pit is. It's got the wood stove. It just feels very, very comfortable. And that's what I absolutely love about this property. The kids go to Williamstown Public Schools, so it's a great school system. You're right in the middle of everything, close to the Atlantic City Expressway, easy access, great property, and make your appointment, right?
Yes, absolutely. Give
and-
me a call.
Make your appointment quickly and give Andrea LaFontaine a call. You could get her at this number right up here. And I'm glad that you watched to the end. Make sure you subscribed. And of course, Joe Wiessner and Andrea LaFontaine, we want to see you at the settlement table.